Hello there, this is Janice. Today I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your Canva template link into your browser so you can start editing your Canva template. So if you have purchased one of my templates, you can go to your file and click the Canva template links here, .text, and just double click on it. And you can choose the size that you want. Once you're happy, you can copy your link. Just Control C or Command C and go to your browser, any browser that you like, and hit the Command V or Control V and hit enter. And then it will bring you into the site where it says a template created by Janice Designs was shared with you. Start designing now. You can browse through the pages if you like. And once you're ready, you can hit the use template button and it will automatically create a copy of this template, which you can start editing the name of this file and then start editing your Canva template. So it's pretty straightforward. I hope you find this simple tutorial useful and happy editing. Bye.